dear friend. Nice to see you. Today we're going to
I'm
talk
so
about
happy to see
something.
you again. Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right. Well, we before we go any further, so let's get the ball rolling. I mean, let's get the conversation started. All right, and then okay. Please introduce yourself to anyone. Maybe some people out there wanted to know about you, who you
Yeah.
are, and
Yeah.
just like brief
Yeah.
introduce yourself, please.
Yeah. My name is Javed. I am from Pakistan. I am student of management science. I'm studying business. I'm 23 years old and I want to learn English to improve my English very well. That's why I'm here.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Nice introduction. I
We
like
are I have 7 members, one brother and 3 sisters.
that. Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you very much to give me time to introduce
All
myself.
right. Yeah, we're going to talk about. Oh, I'm Annie from Bali, Indonesia. Well, we're going to talk about self love. All right, because nowadays people get trouble and in how to loving themselves. So anyway, what do you know about self-love, Jaffe?
Yeah. And some time we irritated, we do fight with people, they don't love me. Like for example, if I like a girl and she don't love me, so I will be angry. Why? Because she not love me. She don't love me. She does not like me. So don't think about myself. I'm love with myself. I don't ask this question from myself. That's why I have a problem in life. If we love ourselves, we I think we have a less problem in life.
Hmm.
Yeah, so self love is very important. If you love yourself, it's mean you will take care of yourself, you will take care of your health, you will take care of your family, you will give time to uh, improve yourself and become a successful. So if you not love yourself, it's mean you will free, you will wasting your time, you will don't take care of your body, you will don't take care of your family. So I think it is self love.
Yes, 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 that's right. That's right. By loving yourself, that makes the world go around, and we can start with ourselves, right? So, how did you? Uh, what? How? What you do? What you doing to show or to implement? If to, I mean, like to show us or to show the world that you care or that you love yourself. What your action?
I think my personal opinion, I think in first action, you will start talking in the mirror, front to front, face to face, and look at yourself. You are strong, you are beautiful, you are genius. Yeah. So it's mean you will be start to love yourself. If you self talk, it's very important for you. So first you will take to wake up in the morning and go to a mirror and start self talking and give motivated yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why you're? I mean, if you care for yourself, so why you should you should love yourself? Why self love is important? Can you a little bit
Self
describe?
self love is important because if you not love yourself, if you does not love yourself, you will behave stress. You will be thinking about some other one. They are beautiful than me. They are gorgeous than me. They are strong than me. They have ability to do this. I don't have ability to do this. So if you love yourself, you will have the ability. You will be not think like that. He have a nice car and I don't have a car. He have a partner. If and I don't have a partner, he have such a nice clothes and I don't have. So it's very important self love.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. So like by respect yourself, right? By respecting yourself,
Yeah.
and then because
Give
uh,
time to yourself. Yeah.
yeah, self-love is about taking care of yourself and respecting yourself, because that way and
Mm.
anything else gonna falls in line, right? And then if you respect yourself, and automatically other people also will respect you, all right? So can you give me an example about respect yourself and then influence
Yeah.
to others?
Yeah. For example, self-love means if I like a girl and she does not want to love me. Why? Because I also don't like myself. I don't also don't love myself. If I love myself, everyone will love me. If I don't love myself, I think no one love me. They will. How can if I don't love myself, I don't give time because I'm so near to my heart. If I not
Yeah,
love
yeah,
myself, it's mean she also
yeah.
doesn't want to
Oh
love
yeah,
me.
you
Yeah.
are 23 years old, right? You are 23, right?
Yes.
And then
Yes.
you now about uh, focus on relationship, how to build your respect about
Yeah.
yourself, to find yourself,
Mm.
about respecting yourself so others can respect you back. Yeah, I think about self-love that is not infected or influenced to others, girls for you, but also with friends, family, if you love yourself, respect yourself, also that means you love your family, your friend, your anybody else, because
Yes.
if you don't
You're
respect
you're right.
yourself, yeah, if you don't respect yourself, it's not possible to respect others. Can you imagine if you can you give me example how to respect yourself?
Say it again, please.
Okay. Could you please give me an example or maybe few examples how to respect yourself so that's
How
influence
to
to
respect
others? Yeah.
yourself.
Mm-hmm.
For, for example, I'm don't like cigarette like that, and I'm drinking cigarette. It's mean I don't love myself. If I love myself, I will believe this for my health, for my body, and for my
Mm.
family,
Okay.
because it will be effect on me in the future.
Yeah.
So first
Yeah.
of all, leave bad habits. Yeah, bad habits, and
Yeah.
start
Yeah.
a good
Yeah.
habit. Like, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
do
Okay. Get
start
away.
exercise
Get
like that.
away.
Yes.
Okay. Get away from bad habits. Yeah. Bad habit is die hard. Yes, that is about physical maintenance, about your physical stuff, but also about self love is not about physical only. It could be mentality, or
Yeah.
yes, about respect yourself. For example, if you want to be respect from others, you have to respect yourself. All right.
Yes. Yes.
How to respect yourself is by treating other people what the one you want to be treated. If you want other people treat you well, respect you, you have to respect others too. All right. And when you say
Yeah.
something nice to other people, and then what goes around comes around, all right? What you give to others, you will get, all right? You will get
Yeah.
what you give to others, all right? And if you respect your parents, all right? If you respect your parents or your teachers or your elder, that means you shows yourself, you
Yes.
show, you respect yourself. If
Yes.
other
Yes.
people treat you badly, this is not about you. This is about them. All right. So don't worry if
Yes.
people treat you badly, because this is about showing their behavior. It's not about you. All right. whatever they talking about you or mocking you or maybe say something bad or behind your back, and then you don't have to do the same thing. Just keep going on, selfing yourself, loving yourself, I mean,
Yeah.
because this is, so for some people think that self-love is about egoism, about self-centered, and I don't agree with this perspective. I don't agree, because self-respect or self-love is about respecting ourselves, taking care of ourselves, and then that way automatically we will respect others too. All right.
Yes.
So when
Yes.
we
Right.
our behavior is not like unacceptable, that's gonna be make other people uncomfortable. All right. When our
Yeah.
manners, we behave in a good manner, of course make other people feel good. All right. So this is the relation. When you take care of yourself about mentality and also your body, and gonna influence to others. All right. Yeah,
Yes.
maybe you have something to add. Do you have anything maybe you want to say about self-love?
Self-love. Yeah. Like hear from someone, he say we try to connect with others in the life when we forget how to connect yourself. First of all, we know how to connect yourself, then we connect the others people. Yeah, so it's very important to first connect yourself, know yourself,
Yes,
know
that's
your
true.
mind, know your habits. Yeah, then know the other people, then
Yeah,
think about other people. Yeah.
the way you build a relationship, also showing your self-respect as well. All right. Self-love. Yes, that's it. I think the the first step to make the world go around is by yourself. Start in yourself
Yes.
by
Yes.
loving yourself and by taking care of yourself, respect yourself. All right, and by if you respect yourself, automatically you respect your parents. Because your parents gonna be proud of you. All right, gonna
Yes.
proud of you. For
Yes.
example, oh, Javed, he behaved nicely, well behaved. The way he uh, talking with other people, with old people, with young people, with friends. And then when you
Mm.
just like brings your parents, in it feel like proud for having you. Oh, my son
Yes.
doing this, doing good night, doing nice thing. you know this not only your parents, your girlfriend,
Yeah.
your friend, your teacher, and
Yeah.
yourself.
Yes.
All
Yes. Yes.
right.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
Right.
yes. So don't ask other people to start uh, being nice to you. Just start in
Yeah.
yourself. All right. So
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, I'm also, as I told you that I want to talk to you about this. I know you having good manners, So uh,
Thank you
I
very
like,
much.
yeah,
You are
yes.
also such a nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, because as I said, just treat others the way you want to be treated. All right. If if you want other people to treat you well, and you also, all right, we have to
Yeah.
treat other people well. Yes, that's it. Just what goes around comes around. Uh, what we give, it will we will get what we give. All right. That's it. That simple as that. All right. So
Yeah.
yeah, anyway, in learning English process, in your journey in learning English, this is the way we practice our English. All right. Even
Yes.
though
Yes. Right.
we both non-native speaker. All right, and we
Yeah.
learning here together, and then we can understand each other. All right, and
Yeah.
then this is enough to build communication. All right, and then
Yeah.
by choosing particular topic like this way, because you like this topic, so I brought up
Yes.
this topic. So yeah, that's makes the learning process goes smoothly, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway,
You are right.
do you have something to suggest or advise other learners, maybe for the beginners?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, because you
I
in
want to.
university and you
Yeah.
can now.
I want.
Okay, carry on. Mhm.
I wanna tell to all the people when you go to the bed at the night time, forgive all the people. Yeah. Forgive your friends, your neighbor, everything. God give you. God bless you. Yes. And if you forgive all the people, they also will forgive you, and you will be don't have any stress, and you will be happy. In the morning,
Yeah.
I hope all people will be have smile in their face.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, before go to bed, forget about hatred,
Yeah.
listen, and about
Yeah.
bad things.
Because we don't know about the life when we go when we die. Yeah. So before when we lie, yes, at the night time to forgive all the people.
Yes, because life is too short to spend
Yes, too short.
with,
Yes.
yeah, with kind of pointless stuff, all right? And then just enjoy life and do good
Yes.
things, and your parents gonna be proud of you, all right?
Yes.
Your
Yes.
parent, your boyfriend, girlfriend, all right? And just love yourself, all right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's it. Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you for watching. Hello viewers. And Javed, thank you so much for
You are
your
welcome.
attendance.
I'm so
And
thankful to you to invite me.
yeah, yeah. I hope this is not the last one. I think we can continue in
Yeah.
another topic. All right, to
Yeah.
practice our
Yes.
English. All right. Okay,
All
I'm
right.
going
Thank
to close this conversation, and if you want to say something, you can go continue. All right, I'm going to close the to stop the recording. Hi, thank you for
you.
watching, everyone. Bye for now.